to oppose the lions. They're afraid to shun evil or passion for people. They put us in cages and hope that it scares us and changes. Because of danger, they have to respond back with anger. The shooting of Luke and the shooting of Kennedy. If your roar's too loud, there's a remedy for your enemies. There's a problem we tend to be afraid to be brave. I'd rather head to the grave than live my life as a slave. I know it's easy to say, but it's the words that I pray. I'm crazy for something, I gotta be all that or nothing. There's a rumor that's buzzing, you can hear the heart stopping. I guess there's more lions and the revolution's coming. What calls the death of the mighty lion? I will hear a war, what's to be the war? What calls the death of the mighty lion? Once he hits the floor, there will be no more. What calls the death of the mighty lion? I will hear a war, what's to be the war? What calls the death of the mighty lion? What calls the death? You see him, sweetie? He used to be a feared and respected creature.
Hello, mighty lion.
He's dead, baby.
But he's not dead. He's just tired.
Let's hope so.
You roar like...
This is Keller Culture rapping, falsetto smashing. Type of Fred Haskell is this lion attacking. We're ready for action, break the cage we were trapped in. Right, wanna watch out, my dude. Get your ass up! Let me tell you about some lions who's running the streets. Pam's a podiatrist, yeah, she has beautiful feet. Raheem is a boxer, he's beating the best. But the hardest fight is when he's daily fighting his flesh. Marco is a trainer, he's training Raheem. He's teaching him to be a man in and out of the ring. Joy is a young sister, singer by title. She's on a Paula Abdul, she's left American Idol. Yeah, I know a doctor, his name is Jason. He prays that the Lord keeps working on his patience. Yeah, saints up in the house. If you rap in the jungle, give a big lion shout to children, royalty, priesthood, peacemakers, leaders, unashamed brother. Get your hands up, ladies, queens, princesses, trendsetters, righteous, virtuous sisters. Get your hands up, lions, lovers, servants, dancing, hate lies, household of faith. Get your hands up, yeah, so get your hands in the air. Yeah, so get your hands in the air. Look at Sarah, she's a beast with a comb and a hairbrush. Yeah, she does hair, but she really knows the air. Who makes the flat tops, waves and a shiner? I guess it's safe to say that she knows a designer. Cargo sells shoes like Knights and Timbos. So in many ways, he's used the same souls. Jimmy is a fisherman, he's got new purpose. He's fishing for souls, yeah, he calls it networking. Paul drinks scotch, yeah, he keeps the money coming. When it's 99 cents, he's trying to make it 100. But my man Paul's not defined by the dollar. He's clothed in righteousness with a white or blue collar. Mean works at our law firm out in Las Vegas. But his favorite thing to do is that cross-examination. Okay, saints up in the house. If you rap in the jungle, give a big lion shout to gentlemen, royalty, priesthood, peacemakers, leaders, unashamed brothers. Get your hands up, ladies, queens, princesses, trendsetters, righteous, virtuous sisters. Get your hands up, lions, lovers, servants, dancing, hate lies, household of faith. Get your hands up, yeah, so get your hands in the air. Yeah, so get your hands in the air. Race for magazines, English was his minor. When he walks in the spirit, he has a ghostwriter. Well, Keisha owns a bakery with her husband Ramon. They always tell their kids not to live off that bread alone. Well, Keith plays basketball and everywhere he goes, he has a defense for the faith. He stays in the zone. Well, Theo is an officer. This might sound crazy. He's the only cop I know that wakes up to die daily. Well, Dane teaches kids how to multiply and add. She knows 3 equals 1. That's that biblical math. Who else I know? Lion Steve, who wears post office blue. Even on his off days, he delivers good news. Who else? My cousin at the IRS, his name is Thomas. On many different levels, he deals with false prophets. Yes, Lord, saints up in the house. If you reppin' in the jungle, give a big lion shout to get your hands up, get your hands up, get your hands in the air.